Thank you for watching the Start Fresh Addiction Recovery Program presentation. You can read more at startfreshaddictionrecovery.com. You can call us toll-free at 855-393-HOPE. The Start Fresh Addiction Recovery Program is quick, convenient, and confidential. Finally, we provide an effective option to treat both the physical and behavioral aspects of addiction with an exclusive long-lasting naltrexone pellet and life coaching sessions. This is a standalone outpatient program or a complement to existing addiction treatment programs. Please go to our website to view impressive patient testimonial videos. Naltrexone is an FDA-approved medication since 1995. It is an opioid receptor antagonist treating alcohol and opiate dependence. It has been proven to block the effects of alcohol and opiates and eliminate cravings. Besides the Start Fresh pellet, naltrexone is available as a daily pill and a Vivitrol injection. The problem with these is that they are administered at a high dose, they have short-term effects, and the patient has problems being compliant with continuing the medication. All of this is resolved by the long-lasting, low-dose Start Fresh pellet. Please note, naltrexone is not the same as Antabuse. It does not cause nausea when you drink. 2 small naltrexone pellets are inserted in the subcutaneous fatty layer of the abdomen. As you can see, side by side, they measure about 1 inch long. A local qualified physician inserts the pellets in a simple 20-minute procedure. The medication starts working within hours. The patient returns to the routines the same day. The pellets completely dissolve, releasing the medication in a low dose. There is nothing that needs to be removed at a later date. It is administered with a consistent therapeutic blood level over the next 6 to 12 months. A personal life coach provides sessions and support that treat the addiction behaviors by phone and Skype. They are also available on an on-call basis after hours, including texting. Following is a brief presentation about the procedure. In an outpatient visit, inserting the Start Fresh naltrexone pellets is very simple and usually takes only 20 minutes while the patient stays awake. A local anesthetic is applied to the site, which is typically in the lower part of the abdomen. A very small 1 to 1.5 inch incision is made. A small pocket is created in the loose excess tissue just under the skin. 2 pellets are inserted into the subcutaneous pocket, followed by small suturing of the incision. Soon after inserting the pellets, the medication is time-released, taking effect quickly and lasting for about a year. You can watch the remainder of that presentation on our website. The typical program process is that a patient comes to the program with interest due to our website, a physician referral, advertising, etc. They talk to our patient advocate in the call center, their questions are answered, their insurance is verified, and financing is provided if needed. Then they get a psychiatric assessment, which is included in the program cost. Then they have their physician appointments for a physical, lab test, and have the pellets inserted. Then they are provided life coaching by phone or Skype. Then they are invited to come back for a post-pellet follow-up appointment with the physician to check the site and remove any small stitches. We require that the patient is 3 days free of alcohol and 7 days free of opiates. Some low level of alcohol is acceptable under certain conditions. The presence of opiates disqualifies a patient. A patient must be detoxed prior to receiving the pellet. A person who is not eligible is a person who has acute hepatitis and liver failure, which again is tested for with a lab test as part of the physical. Please go to our website to meet members of our team, hear about their approach, and their success with our patients. At the time of taping this presentation, the Start Fresh program has 2 physician practices inserting the pellets, one in Phoenix and one in Scottsdale. Life coaching is provided by our lead coach called Terry Ladow. Following are his credentials. 14 sessions are included in the program cost. They are provided by phone and Skype. They typically last 30 to 40 minutes, and they are provided any time that's convenient for the patient. The life coach is available outside of the session time as needed, and on average, the 14 sessions last about 8 months. A person can contract for additional sessions at a discounted rate. Life coaching is not considered traditional therapy and is a great adjunct to other therapy that the patient may be receiving. By eliminating the craving, the focal point changes dramatically from how to deal with the craving to now how to deal with a person's belief system and prepare them for a substance-free life. Please meet Terry Ladow on our website under the tab About Our Team to learn more about his approach and his success with our patients. The program costs can vary dramatically, and we always bill insurance if available. Most insurance providers provide coverage, and the patient is only responsible for paying for their coinsurance and deductible. We do not back bill the patient for any balance due, and we ensure that their out-of-pocket does not exceed $15,000 when we are billing insurance. It is rare and unusual that a person's out-of-pocket is even that high. Our cash pay price is $29,500. However, we do use a sliding scale, and scholarships are available to provide our program at a discounted price based on a person's ability to pay. We also do provide 100% financing with attractive terms and affordable payments. However, VA, Medicare, and Access do not provide coverage for our program. A person with those benefits would have to negotiate a cash pay price. The parent corporation for StartFresh is BioCoreX. BioCoreX has worldwide rights to a proprietary pellet formulation of naltrexone. BioCoreX compounds and distributes the StartFresh pellets to licensed territories. They are publicly traded as BICX, and here's their website. They have StartFresh clinics around the country. StartFresh Addiction Recovery in Arizona is an Arizona company managed by local Arizona owners. They are the exclusive license holder of the StartFresh naltrexone pellet and program in Arizona. It opened in Arizona in 2014 and is growing statewide. The program operates by contracting with local established practices that are physicians, psychiatrists, and psychologists who would get paid per assessment or per procedure. Please call us if you are interested in becoming a partner practice. Please go to our website for additional information. The StartFresh Addiction Recovery Program has been featured on local and national media outlets because of how remarkable patients have been in the program. Please go to our website under Success Stories to view these. You are eligible to receive a free Starbucks gift certificate. Please type this address in your URL and complete a quick 6-question survey. Thank you for participating in the StartFresh Addiction Recovery presentation. We look forward to helping you and your loved ones or your patients.